Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use an amazing teaching platform called Nearpod. Nearpod is a free interactive lesson platform that allows teachers to create and deliver lessons directly to students. Devices in real time. Instead of students only looking at the board, they can interact with the lesson on their phones or tablets at the same time. Students can answer quizzes, respond to polls, draw on diagrams, and even play games during the lesson. First, go to nearpod.com and click Sign Up. You can sign up using Google, Microsoft, or your email address. I recommend using Google because it is the quickest option. After signing in, Nearpod will ask for some information such as your role, school name, and teaching subject. Fill these in, so Nearpod can recommend suitable content for you. Next, let us look at the account settings. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Under Profile Settings, you can update your name, profile picture, grades, school, and subject area. Don't forget to click Save. You can also enable any lesson settings here. Next, you can also manage your notification preferences here. Here you can see what plan you're currently on. The free plan is already quite powerful, but if you want access to more premium features, you can upgrade to the paid plan from here. Now let me quickly walk you through the dashboard so you know where everything is. The first one is Library, which shows you your recently created lessons. Then there is the Nearpod library, which is a huge collection of ready-made lessons created by other teachers. You can search by subject or topic and find lessons that you can use directly or customize to suit your class. You can also join your school library here. And finally, there is Reports, where you can view all your past lesson data and student performance results. Now let us create our first lesson. Click on Create a New Lesson. You will be taken to the lesson editor, where you can start building your lesson slide by slide. Click the plus button and you can add a blank site. You can also delete them if you don't want. Next, you can rename the lesson. For example, here I put Introduction to Acids and Bases. Now here's where Nearpod gets really interesting. You are not just adding normal slides. You can add interactive activities between your slides to keep students engaged throughout the lesson. Let me show you a few of my favorites. First is the quiz. Click on Quiz and you can type in your question and add multiple choice answers. For chemistry, I can ask something like, which of the following is an example of a strong acid, and add the answer options. Simple and effective. Next is the Draw It feature. This one is really great for chemistry. You can upload an image of a molecular diagram or laboratory apparatus and ask students to label it directly on their screen. I love using this for laboratory setup diagrams. You can zoom in and zoom out the diagram as you want. You can also annotate on the diagram. Then there's the Collaborate board. This is like a shared digital sticky note board where all students can post their responses at the same time. I like using this at the start of a lesson to ask students what they already know about a topic. And of course, there's Time to Climb, which is basically a fun quiz game where students compete against each other to climb to the top of the leaderboard. So now here, you can write your questions for the quiz. Once you're happy with your lesson, click Save and Exit at the top right corner. Okay, so now your lesson is ready. Let me show you how to launch it in your classroom. From your dashboard, find your lesson and click on it. You will see two options, live participation and student paced. For classroom lessons, select live participation. Once you click, Nearpod will generate a 5-digit join code. You can share it with your class group so your students can join. Now, as you move through the slides on your screen, the same content will appear on all student devices simultaneously. When you reach an activity slide like a quiz or draw it, students will complete it on their own devices, and their responses will appear on your screen in real time. After your lesson is done, Nearpod automatically saves all student responses. Go to your dashboard and click on Reports. Find your lesson and click on it. You will see a detailed breakdown of every student's responses for every activity in the lesson. You can see who answered correctly, who struggled, and even view individual drawings from the Draw It activity. This is so helpful because you do not have to wait until the next test to know if your students understood the lesson. You have the data right there after every single class. That's all from me. I will see you in the next video. Bye! Thank you for watching.